TV News Khammam. Collector Divakar directs officials to expedite Sadarim and UDID card issuance following a video conference. VC. Review by the SERP CEO on Sadarim UDID card issuance progress, district-wise applications, pending cases, center performance, and infrastructure. District Collector Divakar held a meeting with relevant officials and gave several key instructions. Speaking at the meeting, the collector highlighted that the government is according the highest priority to the Sadarim UDID initiative. Speedy issuance of Sadarim certificates for all eligible patients suffering from thalassemia and sickle cell disease was strongly advised. Officials from concerned departments were ordered to work in close coordination. The meeting was attended by Additional Collector Dr. P. Srija, Trainee Assistant Collector Paras Kumar, DRDO Sriram, CPO Srinivas, District Hospital Superintendent Dr. Narendra, among other officials.